At Aerial Applications, our mission is to make the physical world knowable. We call this geospatial intelligence. You see, we got our start helping first responders deal with natural disasters, and we learned firsthand the human and business costs of not being able to see beyond the next blocked road. So we invented advanced technologies to create 3D maps that everybody can work from. With a shared understanding of our environment, we believe that people, companies, and governments can make decisions that create a happier, safer, and healthier world. Meet Mapware. Almost like magic, Mapware can turn photographs into immersive 3D virtual environments that you can fly through, understand, annotate, and share. We designed Mapware to be so simple that anyone can use it, from leadership to workers with boots on the ground. Whether you're using it in a quiet office or an unpredictable field situation, Mapware helps you focus on the job to be done. At the same time, Mapware is uncompromisingly powerful. Our platform unlocks the full power of the cloud to perform incredibly fast, massively parallel processing. It's been battle-tested in several disaster response efforts that required processing data and imagery at lightning speeds. Whether you want to map a building, a dozen cell towers, an oil field, or a city, Mapware will handle it quickly and securely. The result? Detailed, interactive 3D maps that can be used on any device, from PCs to phones. Finally, Mapware plays well with others. We can help you integrate Mapware with your existing tech stack and enterprise architectures. From infrastructure assessments to precision agriculture, from emergency management to advanced environmental monitoring, Aerial Applications can provide your organization with a shared vision of the world around you so that you can make better decisions faster.